Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to create two columns of text in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful, like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Okay, now for the Canva design, just click on the text and select duplicate. Now move the text to the right side here. Now go on alignment, click on it and select right alignment. As you can see, for the design, that's how you can create two columns of text in Canva. Now for the document, just go on the document and click on this plus icon. Before that, just double click on the document and this plus icon will appear. Click on it and type here columns. You can select 2 columns, 3 columns, 4 columns. I'm going with 2 columns. As you can see, that's how you can create 2 columns of text in Canva. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.